The Aussie is in this M formation currently. You've got this resistance area. So, I mean, it's currently bearish, but I just note that we're moving into this demand area. So I'd expect to move up from here. And if we were to measure the Fibbo on this daily bearish leg, then a move up could come up to test the 38.2, the 50% mean reversion, 61.8, even as far as up as the 78.6. So you've got all of that in there as a potential um, area to target. All of that in here, specifically that block as a resistance as we move up from the block over here as support. So we're on the front side. However, bear in mind that we are on the front side of that bearish trend. We're on the back side of this old bullish trend. So the thesis is that we might come up just to come back down. And we're bearish while below this weekly trend. So if we clean up this chart entirely, starting again, bearish, right? Um, target 64.50s for the near term, so long as we stay below the highs. That's the weekly outlook, so we're heading lower within that range. And then on the daily outlook, when we drill into that, we've got okay, this is quite important. Missed that. So we've got this support structure that we're heading into. So keep an eye on that. That's a W formation. Neckline. So we've come in hard in to test the neckline area. That is a bearish impulse, but nonetheless, we could see support in here. I think we're going to see a follow through to the downside. So on the daily chart, we could come up to come back down, as I said. So I think we're going to come deeper, but we're on the front side of that bearish move. That's all that we really know. We've got a W formation on the weekly chart. We're at support. Just use that block as support for now. We're at support. We could come up to come back down. And then the target on the downside is all the way down here. The target on the upside is 68.80s. For the meantime, we've got this potential support resistance area that we could move up into. But the bias is to the downside. But we could see a correction before that. So something like that.